our main update, ito pa nga yung mga shinare ni picture ni Main sa kanyang social media account during Bachelorette Bash ng nakaraang taon dahil malapit na ang kanilang 1-year wedding anniversary nila ni Arjo. Ayan, shoot pa nga nila sa mga picture. Ito sabi ni Main sa post niya sa broadcast channel niya, sabi, finally sharing this, ang active, wala lang, just wanted to share what happened this day last year cause it was just a happy night, sorry if late, alam nyo naman ako, hindi naman ma-real time update. And po sabi ni May, nakikita naman nyo gaano kasaya si May, and bright to be, nakalagay pa nga dyan, na-sweet nila ni Arjo. Ito pa yung post ni May, yung highlights ng Bachelorette Bash ni May. Sabi ni May, a year ago today I was laughing so hard and crying happy cheers forever. And grateful to my amazing bridesmaids for the unforgettable Bachelorette Bash. It was cute and charming, Roy Calilong and Tina Turner. Simple the best. And about that night, best of 2023. Yan si Anime. Siyempre, abangan. Siyempre, yung 1-year wedding anniversary lang nila Arjo, yun, ng Army. Lapit na, July 28. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Picture Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.